This is an Amber Alert. The Middletown Police have requested an Amber Alert. A child is missing and your help is needed. Police are looking for David Fonda, 38-year-old white male, and Stephanie Fonda, 39-year-old white female, who are driving a 2010 Chevy Malibu color blue bearing Connecticut registration A Alpha XX-ray 50065. The vehicle was last seen in the area of Derby Street in New Britain on May 31st at 9 p.m. Errol Muhammad is missing and is described to be a black male with brown eyes and brown hair. He is 4 years old, about 3 foot 6 inches tall, and weighs 50 pounds. He was last seen wearing a burgundy sweater and blue jeans. If you see or have any information regarding the whereabouts of the child or the vehicle, please call 911 immediately. Do not attempt to approach these subjects as you might put yourself and the child in danger. This is an Amber Alert.